Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to define an array for a given set of cells. We have multiple ways to do that. First simplest way is select the cells which you want to define a name to, and then go to the name box and type what name you want to give and then give enter. Or these 7 cells has been given a name with which it can be used somewhere else also. And the second simplest way is go to formulas, name manager, give new, give the name, and then refers to, in this cell select what are all the cells which you want to define that name to, and then select OK. Now a name is being defined. To recheck on this, select those 7 cells and in the name box the name will be defined. Now this is for individual things. If you have to define some 10 or 15 rows and columns together, how do we do? I'm just removing the name of the already defined ones. 1 minute. So for all these 4 columns I'm defining some name. Now select the cells which you want to define a name, go to formulas, create from selection, and in this you will be asked like create names for the values in the top row, left row. This is nothing but what header or what name you wish to define for the columns in the subsequent ones. So it is almost my top row. The first row is my header, so that is the name which I wish to give for the subsequent cells. So top row is my header, so which is the array name, and then give OK. Now if you go to name manager, double click and you see the names. This name domestic animals refers to these 7 cells. Hope this was very much helpful to you. Thank you so much.